Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? My name is Inbar and welcome back to Inbar Investment. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash the like button. And also in the description down below, I put my Instagram account. So also don't forget to follow me, guys. We're working so hard during the week. So we just blow off some steam in the weekends. So you definitely follow me on Instagram for some cool off-road pics. Guys, let's start. Okay guys, today we're gonna do it a little bit different. I'm gonna put myself in the small screen down below. Every website we're going through, I will put the link down in the description. Guys, I had some complaints about my previous videos, about my explanation wasn't that good. So I'm gonna try to explain it again today about the dividend growth and how fast you can grow and what you have to do to grow it. I will talk also about the ETFs that we talked about in the previous videos and about the individual stocks. So if there is any risk, if there is not any risk. So guys, follow me up. I just recorded my laptop, so let's go. And hopefully this time, you guys, I do my own mistakes, and hopefully this time everybody will understand. So if you have still questions, please put it down in the comment below and hopefully I can answer all your questions. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so right now I'm at the website called trackyourdividends.com. Again, I will put the link down in the description below. It's a dividend reinvestment calculator. Okay, so last time we talked about SPHD, okay, and we just go back to SPHD on Google. It's really easy to find. Over here we see their dividend yield of 365%. Okay, so each time they give you money, it's, for example, on the $34.42 each year, they give you worth of 3.65% annual in dividends. Okay, so again, hopefully I'm not making it too hard. I'm gonna explain exactly what I just say. So let's go back to our dividend reinvestment calculator. Okay, let's say we already put $10,000. Okay, and with the $10,000, I want to invest each week my paycheck about $200. Okay, let's say a monthly, that's $800. Okay, 200 times 4. It's really not that calculation, but let's make it simple. It's about $800 a month. So I take every week out of my paycheck, I take $200 and I put them aside. I put them in the stock market. It gives me $800 in monthly. And now the return of SPHD was 3.65%. Okay, let's not make a joke, you know, if you are 20 years old, between 20 and 30, 35-ish, let's go for 20 years. Okay, so if you're 50, 55, yeah, it's reasonable, So let's do the calculation right now. So in the first year, you're gonna make only $365. So at the end of the year, again, and that's without the stock moves, okay? The stock stays at the same rate, what basically never happens. But let's say the stock stays at the same rate, you will earn in 1 year $365. In the second year, it will grow to $729. Okay, and that's if you're keeping your money and you keep reinvesting in the same stock. So every time you get some money, you buy again fractional shares so you can grow your portfolio. Okay, let's go after 5 years. After 5 years, you already earn $1,902 a month. Here in Los Angeles, that's like a month rent. So each month you pay 11 month rents and 1 month is actually for free. Okay, but we're not going to do it because we're going to reinvest in our own portfolio. So after 10 years, you're going to make already $4,159 a year. It's a yearly return. So every year you will get another $4,159. Your total money right now after 10 years is worth 11. Hold on, I don't see it good. I need my glasses, I'm sorry guys. $118,117. So again, don't forget, you started with $10,000. Look what's happening after 10 years. Let's go for the 20 years. I like to see what's going on after 20 years. After 20 years, guys, you're making $10,000 a year without doing nothing, okay? And just keep reinvest the $200 each week, and each month the $800. So guys, without doing nothing, and again, everything stays the same. What's almost never happened. It actually never happened. The stock will grow, okay? The stock will grow. It can, like for right now, it's $34. It can grow in $80 in the next 10 years. It can grow to $150. You never know, because like in Amazon, you know, it started in 1999 with like $5. And right now it's about above the $3,000. And also don't forget, each year they can grow your dividend. I mean, like they can give you more dividend each year. And now we just talked about the SPHD. SPHD, that's an ETF. So basically when you buy a stock, when you buy a share of ETF, for example, SPHD, you buy a fractional share of a lot of companies in the S&P 500. Specific, this one is the S&P 500. Okay, you can see it as well. It calls high dividend yield. And they just buy stocks from each, and they just buy stocks from companies with high dividends. So you put your money, you divide your money in all kinds of companies. So if one company doesn't do good, you always have the second company. So it's not in one time boom. And that's what I talked to you in the previous video. Also, from let's go to one stock, okay? Let's go, for example, to Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is a dividend yield. Is also a dividend, is a high yield of 3.43%. Okay, let's go for Coca-Cola. We go delete this, and we go for 3.43%. That's if I invest all my money only in one stock, Coca-Cola. Let's calculate, okay? It's basically the same, because SPHD was 3.65 and Coca-Cola is 3.43. But I just want you to let you know, okay? Today, a big factory of Coca-Cola, I don't know, a big fire, it happened, they put some chemicals in Coca-Cola, what's not allowed, they can go bankruptcy overnight. So when you put money in the SPHD, in an ETF, you divide all your money, because they have also a share of Coca-Cola, for example. But when Coca-Cola goes bad, you still have a lot to choose from. So SPHD will get maybe a small hit, or maybe even not a hit at all. So what happened is, when you go for one stock, in particular Coca-Cola or whatever, you have more risk. So that's why I'm telling all the newbies, guys, if you just want to invest and you don't know nothing, first of all, you have to do your own research before, okay? But I will go personally on ETFs, because I want to show you another one, okay? You have Reality Income Corp. Oh, I love them. Why? They have buildings, they have amazing revenue, but we don't talk about that right now. They have big customers like Walmart, like a 7-Eleven, you name it. Right now their dividend yield is 4.47, okay? I don't see O as a particular stock, I see it as an ETF. I'm not sure if it's an ETF. If it's an ETF, guys, comment down below. So, what was it? Let's go back again. Oh, they have a dividend yield of 4.74. Okay? Again, we're gonna keep the $10,000 monthly investment of $800, and we're gonna do the return of 4.47. And look how that gonna change. Just 1%, guys. 1%. So the first year is $447, and let's continue to year 5. $2,367. Let's continue. In 10 years, you're making $5,292. So in compared to SPHD or Coca-Cola, you're making $1,000 more each year. So it's like a domino effect. It's like a snowball effect. You can call it the domino effect or a snowball effect. I like snowball effect more because when you roll the snowball, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And that's what we're trying to do with our portfolio as well. We try to make it bigger, bigger, and bigger as possible. Okay, so after 20 years, guys, and again, the stock's not changed. They don't pay higher dividend yield, what I'm pretty sure they're going to do. Not maybe because of the Rona, but after, in 2 to 3 years, they're going to higher the dividend again. So in 20 years, you're making $13,461. That's almost a little bit over $1,000 a month. You don't do nothing. You don't do nothing. And let's say you live in Nevada, or let's say you live in Texas. That's a month rent you can have without doing nothing each month. So you get it? So you don't have to wake up in the morning at 7 a.m. Oh my God, I have to go to my boss and he's going to kill me because I'm late. No, you can stay in bed. You can watch Netflix all day and not to be worried. You're going to get your $13,461 every year. And that's if they keep the same. What, again, they will grow higher and higher. Also, one of my favorite stock is AT&T. AT&T pays a dividend yield of 6.93%. That's ridiculous. But again, it's a high risk because it's only one company. Tomorrow, everybody is moving back to T-Mobile. Everybody is going to Verizon. Guys, there is no AT&T anymore. So again, that's a risk. So just the way I'm going right now, and I want to show you, is I am going to put $15,000 in AT&T. I'm going to put every month $1,000 extra in AT&T. Yes, guys, I'm going to do it. Because, you know, when people talk, you know, millionaires, they have to, you know, like big billionaires, they took risk in their life. I'm not going to tell you every risk is good, but yes, you have to take risk in your life to grow. I mean, like, even Mark Zuckerberg, he dropped off of Harvard. He had his idea, he took the risk, and yes, he succeeded. I'm not saying every risk is good, but guys, when you fall, you learn. That's how I go. I fall, I learn, I go to a different direction, but I keep coming up again. So, I would like to know what AT&T will give me for the next 20 years. And let's say tomorrow Verizon doesn't have good reception anymore and everybody's moving to AT&T. And I bought the stock, let's say, on $30. I bought the stock a little bit less than $28, but doesn't matter. If you buy the stock right now at $30 and everybody is moving to AT&T, guys, you're going to make a fortune. But that's for another time. Guys, we're going to calculate it right now. So, kind of excited actually. Every year, okay, for the first year, I'm getting $1,000, $1,040. So look how excited I am. Every year, I'm getting $1,040. Guys, after 1 year, okay, 1 year without touching my money become $16,040, okay? But again, that's small money. Let's go after 5 years. Guys, after 5 years, I'm already making $5,000 each year. $77,882 will be my money worth. If I keep continue investing $1,000 each month, okay guys, $1,000 each month. I didn't ask for a lot. $1,000 each month. And then after 10 years, I'm gonna make $11,832. But okay, guys, you have to understand, it's a risk, okay? Tomorrow AT&T will go bankruptcy. I'm losing all my money. But tomorrow AT&T has something new, something good, guys, it will rise. So it's like you go to a casino, guys. I'm seeing the stock market as a casino. To MGM right now, you can put on red and you can put on black. I mean, like, it's a 50-50 and it's not sure you're going to get your money. So guys, you have to understand, every time when you invest in the stock market, it's a risk, okay? Especially when you go for single stocks, or if you go for ETF, you never know. Stock market is not 100% secure. So you have to know, guys, please think before you're gonna do your research, and think good before you're gonna put your money in the stocks. Also, this whole video is entertainment purpose only, guys. I'm not licensed, so please see it, do with it. I hopefully could help you, but think about it and just do what's good for you. Before I'm gonna close, guys, just want to show you after 20 years. After 20 years, I'm making $34,000 a year. The average American salary annually is $40,000. So if I keep paying up for 20 years and I keep doing the same for 20 years, guys, honestly, I don't have to, and I can move because I live in Los Angeles right now, and Los Angeles is really expensive. It's killing me, so expensive it is. But I can move to Texas, guys, and I can live quite okay, you know. But especially when the stock market is all remotely, you can have a laptop and you don't have to do nothing. You can move to the Philippines, stay on the beach every day, and getting $34,000 each year, guys. That's just amazing. That's why I love the stock market.
It's no sacrifice at all.
So you guys wondering what this have to do with this video? Guys, this is how we can live in the future. Commit to yourself. If you put every month money in the stock market, if it's an $800 monthly, it's $1,000, if it's $1,500, $2,000, you name it, guys. In a couple of years, 5 to 10 to 20 years, depends how commitment you are and how your dividend will grow in the future, guys. This is how we can live in a couple of years. Okay, this is where I'm aiming from. This is deep house music. I put it anytime and anywhere I can because I just love deep house, and especially love the way they make the videos. So guys, please, hopefully you like this video as well, my video. Hopefully you like this video as well, because guys, there is where we can be in just a couple of years. Depends only how commitment you are and how the stock will go. Will the stock blow up? Yes, guys. Here we can be. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Don't forget Inbar Investment. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Hopefully you like this video. If you have any question, please don't forget to write down in the comment and I will answer you as well. Guys, especially because of the Rona, stay safe. Have a nice weekend. And I decided to change the videos to every Monday and every Friday. On Monday I will make short videos. On Friday I will put longer videos. Guys, hopefully you liked it. Thank you so much. Stay safe and enjoy the video.
And it's not a sacrifice, just a simple word. It's two hearts living in two separate worlds.